So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create certifications. So uh, under the same module, e-learning, let's go to courses and go to certifications. So here you can actually create a new certification, but for now, I'm going to use this certification that I have created in the last video. So I'm going to click on edit and I'm going to change the title. I'm going to change it to Odoo E-learning certification. So here we can choose the responsible person for the certification, and here in the questions tab we have the option to add a question and also add a section. So I'm going to click on add a question. So here we can write our question. So I'm going to write is courses a feature on Odoo e-learning. So we can choose the question type here. So there are a few options here. There's multiple lines text box where candidates will be able to answer in multiple lines. There's single line text box, numerical value. So for this question, I'm going to select multiple choice with only one answer. So I'm going to write my answers here. So it's a yes or a no. So for this question, the right answer would be yes. So, okay. So in the description tab, we can actually add additional explanation on the questions, and we can describe it using pictures or videos. So if we enter a slash here, right, we can see options like heading, we can add a text, we can add a link here, or we can also add images and so on. So in the options tab, we have many options like constraints, display, conditional display, allow comments, live sessions. So if we enable the mandatory answer field, it's going to set a mandatory rule for the question. So the candidate will be seeing this error message. This question requires an answer. So you can actually edit this. You can change the error message if you want to. Uh, you can also um, enable the live sessions. So you can set a time limit so that the candidates will be able to spend only a specific amount of time on the respective question. So here we can provide the time in seconds. Uh, so I'm just going to save and close this. So in the description tab under certifications, we can provide the details of the certification, and we can also provide the end message. And in the options tab, we can choose the layout, we can choose the progression mode, we can also set the survey time limit. You can also select the selection, so like all questions or randomized per section. You can also change the scoring, so no scoring, scoring with answers, scoring without answers. You can also provide the success rate in percentage. You can also change the email template and also the certification template. So if you click on So if you click on preview, you will be able to actually see how the certification would look like. So don't forget to save it. So you can actually share the certification to the participants via email. You can also set a deadline for the certification. Okay, and you can also add attachments. You can see which course this certification is linked to. So let's click on courses. So the certification is actually uh, it's actually attached to this course, Odoo E-learning. So let's go back. So we can actually test this certification. Click on test and start certification. So is courses a feature on Odoo E-learning? So the correct answer would be yes. Submit. Okay, it says you scored 0. Unfortunately, you have failed the test. Okay, we forgot to actually change the scoring. So let's go back to the answers and change the score. I'm going to change it to 100 and save it. Okay, so I'm going to save this and I'm going to try to uh, test again. So start certification, uh, click on yes and submit. So yeah, it says thank you, you scored 100%. Congratulations, you have passed the test. So after the the participant has submitted and passed the test, they can download the certification. So it will be in PDF file.